import bank feeds into Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Visit Xero and log in with your credentials. Go to Bank Accounts. From the Xero dashboard, click Accounting in the top menu, then select Bank Accounts. Add the bank account. If you haven't added your bank account, click Add Bank Account. Enter the account details and choose your bank from the list of supported banks. Set up bank feeds. After adding the account, click on Get Started for that bank account. Select bank feeds and follow the prompts to link your bank account to Xero. This will require your online banking credentials and may involve verifying your identity with the bank. Confirm bank feed setup. Once linked, select the frequency for the bank feed. The bank will begin sending transactions to Xero automatically. Importing transactions. Xero will automatically pull in transactions from your bank account according to the feed schedule. You can also manually import transactions by clicking on Import in the bank account section if necessary. Reconcile transactions. Once the bank transactions are imported, you can begin reconciling them by matching them to existing invoices or bills.